Elon Musk was not born into comfort or fame, and his journey to becoming one of the most influential people in the world is not a straight line of success. It is a story filled with curiosity, risk, failure, obsession, and an almost dangerous level of ambition. From a quiet boy who loved books and computers to a man reshaping transportation, space travel, artificial intelligence, and energy. Elon Musk's life reads like science fiction brought to life. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. As a child, Elon was introverted, shy, and often lost in thought. He spent hours reading books, sometimes finishing 2 books a day. Science fiction novels deeply influenced his imagination, planting early ideas about space, the future of humanity, and technology saving the world. While other children played outside, Elon preferred computers and logic. At the age of 10, he taught himself computer programming. By 12, he created a video game called Blastar and sold it for $500. This early success showed signs of his natural talent, but his childhood was not easy. Elon was bullied severely at school, once beaten so badly he had to be hospitalized. These experiences hardened him, pushing him inward and fueling his desire to escape into ideas bigger than his surroundings. Elon dreamed of leaving South Africa. He believed that the United States was the place where great things happened. At 17, he moved to Canada using his mother's citizenship. Life there was difficult. He worked odd jobs, including cleaning boilers and working on farms, but he never complained. His focus was clear: education, technology, and opportunity. He later moved to the United States and studied at the University of Pennsylvania, earning degrees in physics and economics. Physics gave him the ability to understand how the universe works, while economics taught him how systems and money move. This rare combination would later define his success. In 1995, Elon was accepted into a PhD program at Stanford University, but after just 2 days, he quit. The internet boom was beginning, and he knew this was a once-in-a-lifetime moment. Instead of classrooms, he chose risk. Elon and his brother Kimball started a company called Zip2. They worked day and night, often sleeping in the office. Elon showered at the YMCA and coded nonstop. In 1999, Zip2 was sold for nearly $300 million. Elon received around $22 million. Most people would have retired. Elon did not. He immediately started X.com, an online financial company. At the time, people did not trust the internet with money. Elon believed they would. X.com later became PayPal after a merger. Despite internal conflicts, PayPal grew rapidly. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon earned around $180 million. With this money, Elon made a decision that shocked everyone. Instead of buying luxury and comfort, he invested almost everything into 3 extremely risky companies: SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. This was not diversification. This was obsession. Elon believed humanity needed to become a multi-planet species to survive. Space exploration was not a luxury. It was a necessity. In 2002, he founded SpaceX with the goal of reducing space travel costs and eventually colonizing Mars. Experts laughed at him. Rocket science was for governments, not startups. SpaceX failed repeatedly. Rockets exploded. Money burned fast. By 2008, the company was on the verge of collapse. Elon was sleeping on the factory floor, personally overseeing engineering problems. At the same time, Tesla was also failing. Tesla, an electric car company, aimed to prove that electric vehicles could be powerful, beautiful, and desirable. The first Tesla Roadster faced massive production issues. Costs skyrocketed. Critics mocked electric cars as toys. Elon poured his remaining money into both companies. By late 2008, Elon was nearly bankrupt. He had to choose which company to save. Then everything changed. SpaceX successfully launched the Falcon 1 rocket into orbit. Shortly after, NASA awarded SpaceX a major contract. Tesla received crucial investment and survived. Elon Musk had gambled everything and won. Tesla went on to revolutionize the auto industry. The Model S proved electric cars could outperform gasoline vehicles. The Model 3 made electric cars accessible to the masses. Traditional car manufacturers were forced to follow Tesla's lead or fall behind. SpaceX continued breaking records. Reusable rockets changed the economics of space travel. Falcon 9 rockets landing back on Earth seemed impossible until SpaceX did it repeatedly. The company launched astronauts to the International Space Station, something only governments had done before. Elon Musk did not stop there. He co-founded Neuralink to connect the human brain with computers. He launched the Boring Company to solve traffic congestion with underground tunnels. He pushed for renewable energy through Tesla Energy and solar solutions. In 2022, Elon Musk bought Twitter, later rebranding it as X. The move was controversial, risky and chaotic, but perfectly aligned with his personality. He believes free speech and digital town squares shape civilization. Elon Musk's leadership style is intense. He demands excellence, works extreme hours, and expects others to match his pace. Critics call him reckless. Supporters call him a visionary. The truth lies somewhere in between. He has faced lawsuits, media backlash, personal struggles, and public scrutiny. His tweets have moved markets. His words have sparked controversy. Yet, his influence continues to grow. Elon Musk is famous not just because he is rich, but because he is attempting things others consider impossible. He does not optimize for comfort. He optimizes for impact. Today, Elon Musk stands as a symbol of modern innovation, flawed, brilliant, relentless. Whether history will remember him as a hero, a disruptor, or something else entirely, remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: Elon Musk has already changed the world.